We did it. My God, it's incredible. Incredible.
I spoke to Dwyane Wade, and he said, you guys were the perfect people to have the world premiere. And he told me it's because, well, it's because, well, how he can tell us. Well, we need to talk about why you wanted to premiere your film here in front of the Richard Strauss, Richard Malone.
Well, first of all, I think, and it's crazy because you never think you would be saying it when you're young, but I don't even think that none of you guys were born. I don't think none of you guys were born when I was at Richards. I feel like I left 20 years ago. We got some 20-year-olds in here? 21? It's okay. Take all the time you need. But for me, you guys see, especially in the first part of the doc, it was very heavily about Chicago. And for me, I just wanted to share my journey. And my journey, this is a big part of my journey, being here at Harold L. Richards High School. And I know some of you guys may be walking the same path that I've walked. I know some of you guys may know some individuals that are walking that path. And hopefully throughout this doc and other moments, that I try to share, that you guys can see yourself in me, and y'all can see yourself doing incredible things. So I wanted to share this doc with you guys before it come out, and I hope y'all enjoyed it.
Bob D. Wade for the last 10 years. And Bob, I just want you to explain what it is you wanted the viewers to get from his journey.
Okay, perfect. I wanted to basically to feel authentic. I wanted Dwyane has been so original and so authentic in his life that I felt that that's what I wanted to see. And I felt like we did that, right? The story was so, even coming up with the story, the title of the film, you were like, your whole life has been like, we're not supposed to be here, And the fact that you did what you were able to do, so life is unexpected. You just never know where you're going to be at, where you're going to end up going. So I wanted to make sure we showed an authentic journey to that.
It had been crazy, kind of watching your life back. It's like your life was flashing before your eyes on the big screen. What was this process like when you putting this film together, especially in last year when you were removed from the NBA?
Yeah, I think this was a form of therapy, right? You get to go back and you get to talk about a lot of moments. For me, I hope my mom and my dad, are proud of the documentary because it's our family's journey as well. And even though in an hour and a half we had to leave a lot of things out, but hopefully it summed it up well. The son that they raised. And hopefully the leader that they raised and that they're proud of. So for me, I know you guys can't wait to get to class, and I know that y'all guys will. Listen, I know how important education is, and y'all need to get out of here. But for me, it really was important to me that you guys and that you guys see that now today I'm a finished product, right? People look at me and they see success, but you see the journey and you see some of the work and how you become and how I became. And someone who's sat in some of these same classrooms as you, someone who's walked down some of these same hallways, the same lunchroom, all these things. And I wish I could get into more of my Richards experience, but just understand, man, and I don't say this because it's like a cliche, but really understanding and visualizing yourself for being who you want to be. And then setting a plan and putting a plan forward to how you're going to become that person. And that's how I did it, and that's what I did, and this is all the finished product of that.
If you could talk to yourself, the young guy.
If I was sitting in this seat?
In this seat right now, living the life you've lived, what's the biggest piece of advice you're going to give yourself?
Don't stop, don't quit, don't give up, you know, don't ever put the sky, when they say the sky's the limit of who you can be, really understand that you guys have so much power inside of y'all. You have no idea who life you're going to change by the way you live your life, by the things you share from your life. Like you really have no idea what is coming in your life. So be open to life. Be open to who comes into your life and what comes into your life. And if I was sitting in that seat right now, I would say, look up, listen, pay attention, and then go get it.
Be open to a life unexpected. I hope you guys enjoyed the film. Make sure to tell your friends because they get dreams out of it. Please give another round of applause to three-time NBA champ, seven-time All-Star, former Hall of Famer, and Richards alum, Dwyane Wade.
Thank you guys. There we go.
But I'm back home to cover the NBA All-Star Game and also to share something very, very special with all of you. So, yay, good news, you're watching a movie at school. But better news, it is a world premiere. You all are the first people to see this film. It doesn't come out until February 23rd on ESPN. So, just get excited, and then I have even better news than that. You may want to get out your phones because the subject of the film is here. Please welcome three-time NBA champion, former Hall of Famer, and Dwyane Wade. He wanted to share this video and movie, with all of you. Dwyane, why was it important to you to have your premiere here at your old high school?
Well, I wanted to help you guys get out of class for a couple hours. That's why. I understand how stressful school is, so that's what it was important. But outside of that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the next hour and a half. For me, it was important that I gave you guys an opportunity to see this first, because my journey in life started here at Richards. Well, yeah, Robbins, but like, you know, when you start figuring out who you are, and when you start having, for me, when I started having a vision of wanting to play in the NBA, wanting to have the life that I'm able to live, it really started happening in these hallways here at Richards. So for me, it's important that you guys see somebody who walked down these same hallways as you guys. And I want you guys to see the journey. You know, hopefully you guys take something from it that you can apply to your life or apply to someone else's life that you know.
And I'm sure all of you have been watching D. Wade throughout his career and know a lot about you because you've been in the public eye for a long time, but you have a good friend, and the director, Bob Medalist,
Yes.
He's also here. He has been covering you and following you for the last 10 years. And Bob, what is it? How did this movie come about with Bob? And what is it that you wanted to get out of Life Unexpected?
Some very intimate moments Bob has been, literally, you guys will see, he was very close and woke up next to me a few times.
Yes, it's been like in the shower, actually.
It's a shower scene, Bob was in the shower.
Shower scene, actually. It's funny you said before, this has been like therapy. Like, I feel like Dr. Phil will look better. And it's been like, this process has been pretty dope. You know, I've been covering D for about the last 10 years, but 2 years ago we decided to make something of what we got, right? And then we've been kind of like drilling down and trying to tell a story for you guys to see that's authentic, and to kind of tell a story about a man who, just hearing the stuff that he's been through and gone through, but to be where he's at right now, that journey's been like such a dope ride to just visualize from my perspective. And just to see it, just see it. So like you said, there's been a lot of intimate moments. Some you're gonna see, some you're not. But you'll get the gist of what we're trying to say. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I know we did. And thank you.
You've been celebrated, obviously you retired a year ago. How would you say your life has changed since you left the NBA?
Well, dramatically. I think the thing about playing in the NBA for 16 years is a lot of things when it comes to real life situations, it kind of gets covered up, it gets glossed over. But you know, now that I'm in the real world and I have to really, you know, every day get up and find that next passion. Basketball is, and everyone, it's a small part of my life. And I've been playing basketball since I was 5, and I'm 38 years old. I have so much, you know, life left. And now it's about figuring out, you know, the bigger purpose, right? Basketball was just a part of the purpose, and it gave me the platform for what's next. So for me, I'm figuring out the next purpose in my life. And for me, I'm focusing on my family. I'm focusing on creating and telling stories that I want to see, I want to hear in the world, and so many other things. So I'm excited about this next part of my life, just as I was about, you know, some of this you guys are going to see.
And you're going to see so much about D. Wade's journey, including his time here at Richards. What would you say if you were sitting in this audience to yourself now, how many years later? 20?
20 years
20 years later.
20 years later.
A full one of these students.
Yeah, I think just, you know, sitting in these, you know, obviously we've had, I've said, not this, we didn't have this, I'm sorry.
Nice.
Y'all got some good stuff going on here. We had a little room that we went into. But when you sit in those seats, and people are in front of you and they're talking to you, sometimes you feel like they don't really understand you, right? They, you know, especially someone who comes to you and they're looked at as successful, or what the world look at as wealthy or rich. You feel like they can't really understand what you're dealing with and what you're going through. But the reason we're doing this documentary here today is because I actually understand exactly what a lot of you guys are dealing with and going through, whether it was from my childhood or even in my adulthood as my kids are going through it. So I want you guys to take away from, when you see this documentary, whatever you can take away from it, whatever resonates to you, I want you to take this and hopefully apply it to your life. So success is not determined just by the amount of money in your bank account. For me, success is determined by the people that I can influence. And that's what legacy is about to me. How many people can I influence and uplift and bring with me? So hopefully I can influence you guys with my documentary today.
Are you guys ready? Again, the world premiere. You guys are seeing this premiere. And make sure to tell your friends that it's going to air February 23rd on ESPN. But before we get to this, you guys want a quick selfie with D. Wade?
It ain't gonna be a selfie though. Big camera.
All right, you can stand up.